This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and heading directly to Controller or Touch Input options. Do this now. Once there, you pick the Combat Controls section so you can change combat behavior. Make sure to have your controller or touch device connected and the correct input method active. Otherwise, the option may be hidden. Now locate the Auto Fire toggle within Combat Controls and prepare to change it. This is the first actionable step that enables automatic shooting when aiming. Once done with the toggle, you refine how Auto Fire behaves by adjusting related controls. Turn aim assist and sensitivity settings to match your playstyle, so auto shots feel natural rather than twitchy. Then change trigger dead zone or pull thresholds. Smaller values fire sooner, larger values reduce accidental shots. If the game exposes an auto fire threshold or weapon-specific toggles, set those next so auto fire only activates when you want it to, keeping control predictable in fights. You finish by saving settings and immediately testing in creative or a casual match to verify behavior. Make sure you try multiple weapons because some classes or modes may not support auto fire. Also confirm the input mode remains controller or touch. If auto fire doesn't work, restart Fortnite, rebind conflicting buttons, and toggle the option off and on again. This often clears state issues. If problems persist, make sure your platform and controller firmware are up to date before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.